So you've seen a lot of inforce policies. What do you think the issue is with the performance? Was it going back to originally sold, or was there, things with the carriers that weren't anticipated? Why are there so many issues with inforce policies, in your opinion?
Well, I think it does go back to a couple issues, as you mentioned. I think it's insurance companies and some of the way they've priced and sold products. As we both know, this is your business, is pretty much every universal life policy that I've ever reviewed that was issued in the 1980s and early 1990s is projected to lapse prior to the expected maturity date based on current assumptions. And that's a combination of two things. Interest rates were a little bit more aggressive than the long-term historical interest rates, and we've been in a long period of low interest rates. And that's had a real effect on not only the crediting rate that insurance companies are able to offer to the clients, is, they're just not making as much money on their own investments, which also impacts how they have to operate to remain in business. If the insurance company doesn't remain in business, there's no policy. So they do have to make some of those adjustments. But at the end of the day, if they're raising the cost of insurance, reducing dividends, whatever they have to do, that's going to have a negative impact on the policy performance. So I think that's really where it's at. And then, a lot of life insurance policies just aren't monitored. Is you have so many people who drop out of the business. I can't remember the rate of attrition in the life insurance industry with new agents, but people are dropping out after being in the business 2, 3, 4, 5 years. So there's nobody around to service the policies.